In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Jira with Slack. Connecting Jira to Slack is a great way to bring project activity directly into the conversations your team is already having every day. Once this integration is set up, you can receive real-time notifications about new issues, status changes, and sprint activity right inside a Slack channel. It also makes collaboration faster because team members can take certain actions on Jira issues without leaving Slack. Before you begin, make sure you have the right permissions. You'll need project administrator access in Jira, and you'll also need approval to install apps in your Slack workspace. Without those permissions, the setup may stop partway through. To get started, open Slack either in the desktop app or in your web browser and sign into your workspace. In the left sidebar, go to More, then Apps. In some workspaces, you may instead see an option called Add Apps. Once you're in the app directory, use the search bar to look for Jira. When the search results appear, choose the official Jira app. Make sure you select the version that matches your environment, such as Jira Cloud or Jira Server, depending on how your organization uses Jira. After that, click Add to Slack. Slack will show you the permissions the app needs in order to function. Review those carefully, then click Allow to authorize the app and complete the installation. Once the app has been added, the next part is connecting a Jira project to a specific Slack channel. In Slack, open the channel where you want project updates to appear. This should be the channel your team already uses to discuss that project, sprint, or workflow. Keeping notifications in the right place makes the integration much more useful and less distracting. In the message box for that channel, type the /command/Jira Connect and then press Enter. This command starts the connection process between Slack and Jira for that channel. After you run it, Slack will guide you through the authorization and project linking flow. Follow the prompts carefully so the correct Jira project is mapped to the correct Slack channel. As you go through the setup, take a moment to confirm you're linking the intended project and not a different board or workspace. That small check can save confusion later, especially if your team manages multiple Jira projects. Once the connection is complete, your channel will be ready to receive Jira updates, helping your team stay informed and move work forward without constantly switching between tools.